Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. This is Gift or Garbage! Yay! My series where we talk about if something is actually worth your money or if it belongs in the trash. Or maybe not the trash, maybe you can donate it to somebody, but anyway. For the holiday season, we are going to be focusing on advent calendars. Are they gifts or are they garbage? Let's find out together. I'm going to be brutally honest, no companies are paying me. I bought all of these with my own money, and some of these are real garbage. But let's find out if that's one today. So, what makes something a gift? 1. Is it well priced? Is it a good value for what it is? 2. Is it appropriate for the audience that it's geared for? 3. Are the items usable, user-friendly, easy to navigate? All kinds of things can fit in this category. And 4, specifically for this channel, is it Spoonie approved? Do I believe that somebody who has different Spoonie conditions could operate this product? If it doesn't match any of these things, it's garbage. If it matches a few of them, it still might be a gift, but we want to check all of our boxes here. So let's find out if this is gift or garbage. This is 12 Days of Socks. I got this at Pop Mart, and I think it was only like $14, something like that. So it was super cute. I couldn't resist. Especially look at Woodstock in his little coat. So cute. It's got 2 crew socks and 12 low-cut socks. So I'm excited. Okay. Oh, there's tape. I didn't know that. Okay, well. Oh, it's so cute. Here, I'll let you guys get a cute close-up. And then this. Okay, day 1 is Snoopy and Woodstock in a little sleeping bag. There's no way that I can't ruin this box, so poor box. Oh, cute. Okay, we have, what? They put a little plastic stay. You gotta be kidding. I'm gonna need scissors. I'll be back. I got the scissors, and Peaches wanted to see what this was all about. So if you're new to the channel, Peaches is my little Peaches and Cream Corky. Say hi. So chatty, and yet today nothing. Okay, anyway, remove the little stays. And they are low cuts. And this is, ooh, soft. I love Snoopy. Oh, cute. And yes, I do. So cute. So today is Charlie Brown. I see sunglasses. Is this Joe Cool? Okay, seriously, now it's attached to the box. This is very strange packaging. Anyway, we have more low cuts. This is Joe Cool. Today is Snoopy in a winter coat. And again, it's attached to the inside of the box. The first one wasn't, but these are. Okay. Ooh, so it's Snoopy on kind of a concerned face. Is he concerned, maybe? So more low cuts with concerned Snoopy. Day 4 is the wreath. Low cut again. And it's a happy Snoopy. Today is Woodstock in the little winter coat. Oh no, the door came completely off. Oops. Sorry. So today we have low cut again. And, oh, okay, hold on. I don't know if I can show you guys. So it's Snoopy laying down on top of his name. So it's like the name is his doghouse. You know, it's the same pose that he makes. And today is Snoopy with a bunch of presents. And yes, you can see inside day 5 because the door came off. Yeah. I don't know my own strength, I guess. Let's see if I can save this one. There we go. Oh no, the stay is buried. Oh no. Okay, cut the stay, not the sock. Cut the stay, not the sock. I think I did it successfully. Yay! Crew socks! I prefer those. I don't know about anybody else. I prefer the longer socks. Actually, showing you on my arm isn't going to work this time. So, there we go. I think he's doing that little dance that he does in Charlie Brown Christmas, you know. But he's doing it just the part with his feet, so he's not doing the ear thing yet. It looks like he's dancing. And then this polka dot pattern kind of reminds me of Sally's dress, except her dress is blue with black dots, but this is kind of the feeling I get. So, I think these are my favorites so far. Anybody else who's been watching along, which one's your favorite so far? I think this one for me. Number 7, right there. Oh dear, that one almost came all the way off. Ooh. Another buried stay. Oh my gosh. Really testing my scissor skills here, guys. Did I get it? I think so. Oh, the other set of crew socks, because we know how many there's going to be. Nope, that door didn't survive. Okay, well. it's leaping Snoopy, and then it says Snoopy, 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 all down. That's day 7. Day 8. Woodstock again, flying, so cute with his little hat. And there we go again. Whoever designs this, you need to make bigger stays. Or longer ones. Oh my gosh, it's Woodstock! Oh! It's Woodstock's face and he looks nervous. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. He's so concerned. It's precious. Oh, poor baby. He's so concerned. So it's little Woodstock socks. Yay! For those who don't know, Woodstock is my favorite. I love Snoopy, but I love Woodstock. I even made Woodstock. Did you see that video? Day 9. It looks like maybe he's skating? Not sure. Okay. And this stay is a little longer than the others. That's good. Whoops. Sorry, Peaches. Well, we have our first casualty. Oh no. Oh wait, maybe? They're just fuzzies. Yay! Good. No damage to the sock, just fuzzies. We have Snoopy snapping. Day 10, 12 days of socks. We're almost done. Can you believe it? Can you believe it, Peaches? She's in shock. Okay. Day 10 is, oh, Snoopy and Woodstock. Cute. Doors are kind of weak. Let's see what we've got here. Looks like color blocking and Snoopy. Can you see the red? There's the red. Red, black, yellow with a Snoopy sitting on the yellow. This looks like an old drawing of Snoopy. That's cool. Let's see, how can I show you this best? So here's the front, and then here's his ear. See? There you go. So cute! Day 12 of 12 days of socks with the Peanuts gang, and oh my goodness, hasn't this collection been so cute? I'm really excited. I think my favorite ones so far are the long red crew neck with Snoopy and the little Woodstock ones where he looks scared or nervous or concerned. And I do like the ones we got yesterday, the classic Snoopy. That one was good. So what will today be? Don't know, but our picture is Charlie Brown. And this box has seen better days. I tried really hard not to like rip the doors off, but some of them are really weak. And the stay is a little longer. Some of the stays have been so short. I was really nervous I was going to cut the sock. Okay, so what did they pick for our final day? Snoopy. Whoa! It's almost a complete duplicate of a different day. They just changed one color. Remember the one that had the yellow stripe? Now it's gray. This is our finale? Well, that's disappointing. I was hoping it was like very Christmassy or something. So that's our final sock. I was hoping to end on a high note, but kind of disappointing. Come on, you guys. You had so many ways to make all these different kinds of prints. There are a million pictures of Snoopy. Snoopy with the typewriter. Snoopy on the doghouse. Snoopy, the World War I flying ace. None of those? Disappointing. But that was our last day. Now do you have anything to say? She's decided to be stubborn.
I'm not stubborn, I just don't have anything to say.
Thanks for joining me on another episode of Gift or Garbage. Now, it doesn't matter what I said in this review. Everything is, of course, your opinion is what matters the most. And so if you like it, that's great. If I hated it, that's okay. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion here. So if you bought it and you love it, that's wonderful. If you bought it and you hate it and I loved it, that's also okay. Remember, Christmas is coming sooner than you think, so if you want any of these as gifts, that is why I am doing this as early as I possibly could. So, remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!